I haven't filmed any type of recap, like what has happened in my life so far, like from moving abroad to this point, because I didn't feel ready, and I also felt like, it's not that much of a time, not that much of a time has passed. Hello, today is Wednesday, and today we have a meeting, a termin, at the dog groomers. I'm taking my two dogs with the help of my sister-in-law because she has a car and she's going to drive us there, and we owe her so much because she drives us everywhere every time we need a car. So thank you so much, Iris. We appreciate you, and we will make it up to you. So yeah, that's the big thing happening today. After the dogs are done, we're gonna come back home. I'm going to prepare some food if I have time, because I also have a lot of things to do at work. Also, if you want to see the fit check, you know, you can't really see much from this layout, but I'm just wearing jeans, a white t-shirt, a dark blue sweater, and the beanie because my hair is horrible. And also as shoes, I will wear my Adidas Special. And yeah, I'm not gonna show you because it's shoes. So yeah, let's go. Okay, bye bye, see you later.
Schon wieder? Alexa, wie wird das Wetter? Entschuldige, aber ich kann dir...
What's up, music? Go. We are finally back home and it's 6 p.m. I don't know, I was feeling very optimistic. I thought that we would be done by 3 p.m. and I would be back right on time for work, but no, it's 6 p.m. and I haven't eaten since breakfast. Henry hasn't eaten either, so today we are going to just order something and then I'll just sit in front of the computer to finish all the tasks that I have in like hyper focus mode. Forget about Pomodoro, there's no time for that now. I just have to do this, and I'm feeling like I have a headache coming, so let's go order some food. Hi guys, I feel a little restless, like I don't want to stay inside the house. And it's so dark here, like outside it's still kind of light, you know, but it's gloomy, it's gray, it looks the same during the whole day. So I'm just gonna get ready and get outside, go for a walk or something, I don't know. So I just feel overwhelmed. I realized that I haven't talked about my experience here. Like I haven't filmed any type of recap, like what has happened in my life so far, like from moving abroad to this point, because I didn't feel ready, and I also felt like it's not that much of a time, you know, not that much of a time has passed. But now we're at 2 months here. So what has happened the last 2 months? Yes, I moved to Germany from Albania. Yes, I turned 30. Woo woo! September 1st. I expect birthday wishes next year. Okay, nothing else much. I feel like the ticking of the clock is too loud. It's too loud. Alright, I didn't think we'll have another video of me sitting in front of the camera on a comfortable couch and having a chit chat with you, but this time is not scripted. This time it's just me wanting to talk about what is going on recently. I needed to take a breath. I was filming before. It was not what I was talking about. It was too much, like too all over the place. So I thought I'd give it another shot and keep it more concise. It has happened a lot and nothing at all at the same time. During this whole period, a lot and nothing has happened. I don't know how to explain it, but I realized that I didn't film any like recap videos of how my life has been in the last couple of days or weeks or in the last month since I moved to Germany. Now I've been here for 2 months and it's still not that long. It feels like it, it feels like a long time. When I moved here in the beginning, it felt like I'm here only for a short period of time because it still didn't hit me that I'm here for forever. But now it feels like I've already been living here for a year. And maybe that's because every day has been kind of the same. It has been kind of the same because I've been too comfortable in my routine. I had a therapy session this morning, and what I talked about with my therapist has been sitting with me the whole day. And it had made me feel a bit uncomfortable because I'm thinking to find a solution, even though I don't have to find a solution right away, but that's just how my brain works. I detect a problem, let's find a solution now. Quick, chop chop. I should sit with this feeling of being uncomfortable, but it's so uncomfortable and it's difficult. And what is making me feel uncomfortable, it's the fact that I don't feel like I'm adapting to this new life. And I know it's the beginning, okay? It's the beginning. I will slowly get there. And I should not put too much pressure on myself. But I feel like I'm getting bored, but also a little disappointed. And I'm putting myself in this position where I have to do something about it quickly now so I don't get bored and so I don't feel miserable. The reason why I feel like I'm miserable, it's because I have the same routine every day since I arrived here. I wake up, I make coffee, have breakfast, I walk my dogs, and then I come home, I prepare lunch, and then I sit down to start working. And that's it. I work until the evening, and then after the evening I watch something with my husband, like a series or I don't know, some YouTube videos, and then I go to bed and sleep. And the next day it's the same, except for the weekends where my husband and I sometimes go outside to have breakfast outside, which I love. It's like my favorite because it's like these breakfast dates that we have, and I really like that. I really enjoy that. I enjoy spending time with him a lot, but during the day he is doing an IT course, and it's like a full-time job because he has to be there from 8 till 5 p.m. It's not like we see each other a lot during the day, except for the days where he is doing home office, but that also, he's doing home office, so he's busy. He's in his studio and I'm in the other part of the house. So even though we're living together now, it still feels like I live alone most of the time. I feel anxious to get out of the house because I'm curious to get outside of the house, but I sabotage myself with these cynical thoughts. That's a word that my therapist used, like, telling myself, okay, yeah, you went out, and then what? Where are you gonna go? What are you gonna do? And then I just, I'm like, yeah, that's, I don't know where to go. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know where I'm going to sit. I don't know what I'm going to order. So, whatever, I'll just stay home. And I thought about this, because the video before, it's me talking about leaving the comfort zone, and the fear of leaving the comfort zone comes from the fear of the unknown. And now I'm sitting here in the comfort zone and saying that, yeah, I'm still struggling with this because, it's still me, it's still in me, and I think it will forever be, but just sometimes it's very strong, and other times I can manage, I can be like, yeah, whatever, I'll just go outside and have fun. But today it was a bit tough, I guess, and it's been tougher than other days. And today I actually really, really realized that, hey, I have to really do something to adapt myself here, like to make myself enjoy my days. And so I was checking for yoga classes. I checked a few and I was thinking maybe they can offer like a one free day, maybe just to try it, so I can see how the space is, where the space is located, and if it works for me. So I sent a couple of emails and I hope I hear from them soon. But then I found another studio that, even price wise, it was slightly cheaper than the ones that I emailed. And they even had the information about offering one free day that you can go whenever you want to try it out, and one trial month. And also the price seemed very, very okay, to be honest. So I'm considering this third option for the yoga studio, and we'll see how it goes from there. I thought of starting with, joining a yoga studio because I really need to be active in my body. I wanted to start the gym again, but I was thinking, maybe that's too intense right now. Maybe you want something more calm and more calm. You know what I mean? And I thought I'd give yoga another chance. I've mentioned this before maybe, but I used to do a little yoga by myself at home, and it felt great. I remember it was like, that's the best I've ever felt in my body. And then I just stopped because I don't know, I think I changed my daily routine. I just stopped. I didn't do it every day, and until I just didn't do it anymore. And then I gave up on the idea that I will ever start the yoga again. I've been trying to get back to that, but it's just, it's difficult, like even the yoga teachers on YouTube, the first thing that they do when you click on their video and start doing yoga with them, they say, congratulations, you did it, you're on the mat. Like, that's the first step, and that's the hardest step. And that is so true. That is so true. Because with yoga, you don't really have to like dress up or anything. You just have to be as much comfortable as possible, and all you have to do is like just roll out the mat, or even without a mat, but you don't need any gadgets or any. Maybe this way, maybe going to a class with other people, it will be good for me. It will do good for my anxiety, and maybe I will make some new friends. It will be nice. And also, I haven't talked about this yet. I turned 30, but I feel the same. It's weird because when I turned 28, I told myself, oh, I'm so close to 30, might as well just, tell people that I'm almost 30. So since I was 28, I've been feeling like I was 30 years old. And when I turned 30 years old, or at least like a few weeks before turning 30, I was thinking to myself like, man, I've been feeling 30. Like, I've been focusing so much on being 30 that I haven't enjoyed being 28 or 29 years old. I don't know how to explain it, but it's such a weird feeling of completely ignoring 2 years of your life and having your brain tell you you're 30, you're 30, you're 30. And now that I'm 30, I'm like, yeah, I'm like 28, 29, I don't know. It's just a number, okay? It's just a number. It's not like you're gonna feel different the next day that you have your birthday. It's just a number. The feelings change with time, but yeah. Anyways, I'm 30 now. Everyone says that when you turn 30, you have to start really moving and doing, physical activities. So I'm going to give yoga a try, like proper yoga. I am excited about this and I hope that everything will go well. I feel like I forgot to tell you something. I hope I didn't. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will try and take it slowly, okay? I'm not going to put pressure on myself. I'm not going to try and control the outcome. I'm just going to flow. I'm just gonna flow, okay? And we will see where it goes.
Yes, yes, yes. Me too.